Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your passion for fitness is making you thousands of dollars a month. No more struggling to find clients. No more undervaluing your time. Just a thriving business that pays you what you're worth. If you're a personal trainer or thinking about becoming one, you already know fitness is a booming industry. But here's the truth. Most trainers don't make nearly as much money as they should. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your passion into a high-income career, breaking down strategies that top trainers use to earn 6 and even 7 figures. Stick with me until the end because you don't want to miss this. The biggest problem personal trainers face? They're stuck trading time for money. One-on-one sessions, exhausting hours at the gym, and clients who come and go. It's an endless cycle. Some trainers work 40+ hours a week and still struggle to pay rent. And let's be real, competition is fierce. Thousands of trainers are offering similar services, making it hard to stand out. If you don't have a solid strategy, you'll either be underpaid or out of business. But there's a way out. In this video, we're going to break free from the traditional limitations and explore high-paying opportunities that most trainers ignore. 1. The fitness boom. Why now is the best time to be a personal trainer? The health and fitness industry is worth over $96 billion worldwide and growing every year. More people than ever are willing to pay for guidance to get in shape, lose weight, and improve their health. But here's the kicker: the way people consume fitness has changed. More people prefer online coaching instead of in-person sessions. Many are looking for customized programs they can follow on their own. High-ticket fitness services are thriving. People are willing to invest big money for results. This means there are more ways than ever to monetize your skills beyond traditional one-on-one training. And that's exactly what we'll dive into next. 2. Specializing for maximum profits. Find your niche and own it. The fastest way to increase your income as a trainer is by finding a niche. The days of being a generic, personal trainer are over. The trainers making 6 figures specialize in areas like fat loss for busy professionals, strength training for athletes, postnatal fitness for new moms, online coaching for people over 40. Why does this work? People pay more for specialists. If someone wants to train for a marathon, they'll hire an endurance coach, not a general trainer. If a new mom wants to lose pregnancy weight, she'll look for a coach who specializes in postnatal fitness. The clearer your niche, the easier it is to attract high-paying clients who see you as the expert. 3. High-value services. How to charge premium rates and get clients to pay. Most trainers make the mistake of charging too little for their services. But the truth is, people pay for results, not sessions. Here's how you can charge premium rates. Create transformation programs. Instead of selling single sessions, package your services as 6-week or 12-week transformations. Offer a VIP experience. Add nutrition coaching, weekly check-ins, and personalized meal plans. Use scarcity and exclusivity. Limit the number of clients you take to increase demand. A trainer charging $50 per session might make $1,000 a month. But a trainer offering a $2,000 transformation package? That's $10,000 a month with just 5 clients. 4. Building a personal brand that attracts clients on autopilot. Branding isn't just for influencers, it's your key to getting clients without constantly chasing them. Instagram and TikTok share client transformations, workout tips, and your personal fitness journey. YouTube and blogging create in-depth content that showcases your expertise. Email and newsletters build relationships and offer exclusive coaching deals. Clients trust trainers who position themselves as experts, and that starts with visibility. 5. Scaling beyond the gym, online coaching, digital products, and passive income. Want to make money even while you sleep? Here's how. Online coaching programs. Train clients virtually via Zoom or app-based coaching. Workout guides and ebooks. Sell customized training plans online. Subscription memberships. Offer exclusive content, group coaching, or live Q&A sessions. This allows you to scale your income without working more hours. 6. Expanding revenue streams, from sponsorships to merchandise sales. Once you build your brand, you can monetize in multiple ways. Affiliate marketing, promote supplements, gym gear, or fitness apps. Brand sponsorships, partner with fitness companies. Merchandise, sell branded workout gear and apparel. 7. Leveraging client success stories to attract more high-paying clients. Social proof is powerful. People trust results. If you've helped someone lose 50 pounds, show it. Share before and after photos, with permission. Post client testimonials and transformation videos. Feature real success stories in your content. Success stories create trust, and trust leads to higher paying clients. 8. The business side, financial management and smart scaling. Making money is one thing, keeping it is another. Here's how to manage your finances smartly. Set aside 30% for taxes, yes, even if you're self-employed. Invest in business tools like a coaching app or automated scheduling. Don't rely on one income stream, diversify. Smart financial decisions set you up for long-term success. Right now, you have two choices: keep struggling to make ends meet or take action to build a profitable fitness business. Every day you wait is another day you're leaving money on the table. The trainers making 6 figures? They didn't get there by accident. They followed strategies like these, and now it's your turn. Success in fitness isn't just about training, it's about learning how to sell your value. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to turn your skills into money. Comment below which strategy you'll try first. And don't go anywhere, the next video YouTube picked for you is on the screen right now. Click it, and let's keep this momentum going.